Hey everyone, Ben here from SweetsApp, and I'm really excited to introduce you guys to the new message scheduling functionality we just launched this week. So we're going to check it out. Go to sweetsapp.com and log in, and you're going to land here on your web portal. The first thing that we're going to do to set up a new message schedule is to go to our auto text messaging here on the left, and you can click on Create New Message. So we just launched this new functionality here to be able to walk you through the process step by step to set up your new message. So the first thing we're going to do is choose the type of message. So we can set up an anniversary message to be scheduled, a status message, and that's going to be scheduled messages based on status, or you can send to a group. Group messaging is the newest form of message scheduling that we just launched. So if you have groups set up within Suites, then that can be the pre-made groups available in the Pro plan, or that can be any custom group that you've set up. You can now schedule messages to go out to them weekly, a specific week of the month, or other times. So we're going to walk through this first. I'm going to check out a status message. So let's say I wanted to send out a quick message on the third week of the month, every month, to a specific status to check in on our tracking sheets. I don't want to have to set that up every time, and there's specific statuses that I really want to make sure I stay in front of. So I'm going to pick status message, I'm going to click next, and then I can specifically select the status that I want. So let's say, hey, I really want to check in with my A1s, I want to make sure I stay in front of them, they stay on top of it, so I'm going to go ahead and click next, and then I can say how often do I want to send this message, so when to send here. So my options are, for statuses, I can either send it the third week of the month, the fourth week of the month, or the last week of the month. So we don't let you send a scheduled message the first or the second week of the month because we're waiting for InTouch to update the status of your consultants. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and send it on the third week of the month, and then I can say what day. So let's go ahead and send it out on Tuesday, and then I can pick a time as well. So I'm going to go ahead and send it at 9 a.m. on Tuesday, the third week of the month, and this is going to be a message to check in on my tracking sheets. So I go ahead and click on next, and now I just get to write my message. So I always like to make my messages a little bit personal so I can include the first name here. And this is going to be a dynamic field, so we use this little bit of code here, and it's going to make sure every message that goes out actually uses their name. So I can say, hi, and then I'm going to use bracket, bracket, F name, bracket, bracket, close, and then it's just like a normal message. So I can say, hi, whoever that may be, and then you can basically fill in your message here. Just wanted to check in. So it's a quick, simple message. I set it up once, it's automated, it's scheduled, and now this can go out on the third week of the month on Tuesday at 9 a.m. every month to my specific status, so A1s, and that's going to be good to go. So all I'd have to do is click on Save here, and that message is set up. Let's go through one more message, just so you can see how easy it is to set these up. I want to talk about group messages, so let's go ahead and select, hey, we want to send a group message. So we're going to do that, we'll click Next, now we're going to choose your recipients. So this is any group that we've already set up. So again, we have pre-made status groups, and those are available in our Pro plan, and those are status groups that are automatically updated each month. So if your consultants drop from one status to the next, they're automatically pushed to the next group. So now, just from your phone, you can actually hit those groups. But this is going to be a scheduled message, and we can do that based on group, or we can do that based on any group that we've set up. So let's say, for instance, we have a Tuesday morning call group, and we're going to call that the Hey group here, and just to test, and we can say, how often do you want to send this message out? For your custom groups, you can actually send those messages out weekly if you want to. So again, this is my Tuesday morning call group. I want to send them a quick message to make sure that they remember that we have a call at 9 a.m. or at 10 a.m., whatever that time is. So again, I can set up the weekly, I can set up what day, and then I can set up the time, and then I can come back to this, and I can say, again, we're going to go ahead and make it a personal message. So we're going to keep the hi, and then we're going to do the dynamic field for name. Just a quick reminder about our call this morning. So we can do a quick call-in information. I want to send them our conference call line so they have it. There you go. Talk soon. Okay, now once I save that message is going to start going out every Tuesday at 9 a.m. I don't have to touch it ever again, and it's for our Tuesday morning call group. And I've set that group up just for my app, and now I send an automated, scheduled message. It saves me time, saves me money. Hope you guys love the new functionality. Excited to hear back from you. Let us know what you think of it.